You guys, any food cooked with this Radiance cookware is sweeter. It's such a luxury cookware that can elevate your kitchen and cooking. But if you don't know how to cook, please learn how to cook before buying this luxury cookware. Okay, guys, let's unbox my Radiance enameled cast iron cookware. First, the packaging is top notch, well packaged, and cute. It's so good and intact. They did a good job. I was even struggling to remove the carton. I was literally calling for help, but my son came to my rescue. They really packaged it very well so that nothing breaks or damages. It also came with use and care instruction to know how to take care of it. For the color, I chose white. They have different colors: red, blue, green, and so on. And this is the 30 cm. Very cute and portable. You guys, if you cook assorted meat pepper soup with this beautiful pot, or often sala rich cocoyam soup, I'm just calling rich, cute, and decent soup you can make with this beauty. I beg, make I stop here. This pot is too beautiful. Let's talk about the quality. The pot is very heavy and the quality is top notch. It's a pot that needs special care. You really need to care for it so that it will last. So about the price is not much. It's very, very affordable. So I want to thank my lovely husband for buying this beauty for me. You know how I reciprocate. You know now. So let's go and make soup with this beautiful pot.